In the table, we are asked to find u and t, given that y varies directly with x. Y varies directly with x was the same as saying y is directly proportional to x. This is the sign for directly proportional, and then this is equal to y is equal to some constant k times x. Let's look at an example. If t is directly proportional to c, or t varies directly with c, then t is equal to some constant k times c. Now again, let's look at the question. Y varies directly with x, so that's y is directly proportional to x, and this can be rewritten as y is equal to some constant k times x. Let's look at the first entries of the column. We see that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Let's plug that in to solve for the value of k. So y is 3 and x is equal to 6. So 3 is equal to k times 6. So then to bring the 6 across to the other side, we need to do the opposite. So the opposite of timesing is dividing. So that's 3 divided by 6 is equal to k. So then k here is equal to a half. So k is equal to a half. And k remains the same throughout. K is a constant. Okay, now let's solve for u. So we know again that y is equal to kx. Now in this case, y is equal to u. And k is equal to a half all the time. And we have to multiply by 10. So then u is a half multiplied by 10, which is 5. So u is 5. Now let's look at the last column. We have x is equal to t and y is equal to 9. So then again, y is equal to k times x. Y is equal to 9. K is equal to a half. And x is equal to t. Now this is a half multiplied by t. To carry the half on the other side of the equation, we do the opposite, which is divide. So then we have now 9 divided by a half is equal to t. And now that is equal to 9 times the reciprocal of a half is 2 on 1, which is equal to 18. So t is equal to 18 and u is equal to 5. Now, before I finish, if it says that the question says that y varies indirectly with x, then y is directly proportional to the reciprocal of x, which is 1 on x. And now this here is the same as y is equal to some constant k times the reciprocal of x, which is k over x. Another way to say y varies indirectly with x is saying y is inversely proportional to x. This is the same now as saying y is directly proportional to 1 on x, and we can write this mathematically like this: y is directly proportional to 1 on x, and this is equal to y is equal to some constant k times 1 on x, which is equal to k on x.